Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to indent the second lines in your paragraphs on Adobe InDesign. So first you will need to open your Adobe InDesign software and follow these simple steps. Here the first thing that I will do is to create a text box. So now I'm going to add some text. Let's just write text, and for example like this, and have a space. We copy this, Control C and Control V, and let's have just text. And then we go to the second line, we go like this, again the other line, we go where is my text? So we go here, let's go like that, so it can recognize the paragraphs, and we will have something like this. So basically now I'm going to resize it so it can be more visible. Here I will just Control A and resize. Make sure that there is no hyphens here in your text, and now we can edit now our paragraphs. So basically you will need to go to the selection tool, this one, and we will go to the paragraph so we can change in our paragraph. If you don't find these properties or the paragraph section, you can just go to Windows, table and type in tables, go for paragraph and click, and you will have your panel that will be added here. So basically we want to add on our paragraph now, so I'm clicking here, I'm going to use here. Now as you can see my indents are changing, but those one are the first line indents and those are the space before, etc. The thing that I want to do now is to add an indent to all the texts. So let's have 0. I will have an indent to all the text, then I will have a negative indent to the first line, so we can have an indent in the second line. So basically I will start to add in all the indents and decrease in the first line indents. And as you can see with this method I will have a style to have like indents only in the second or all the paragraph except the first line. So here my second lines have the indents without having them in the first line. So now you will need just to start or add the indents here, and I mean decrease in the indents from the first line and adding it until you have the desired results. So basically this is the method or the way to have like an indents in the second line in Adobe InDesign. And thank you for watching and goodbye.